here we are. We've gone through the process of talking about the ingredients and putting them together and creating components that we've mixed and matched to make these 4 different menu items. And here's a true test. We've got people to taste it. We've got doctors here from Stanford Health Care to talk all about the looks, the taste, but also keeping in mind that this is a heart-healthy meal.
In our busy lives, it's hard to prepare a magnificent meal like this day in and day out. It's a great opportunity to highlight the role of families in our patients' heart health. We share what we eat with the people we live with, and so for our patients to adhere to a heart-healthy diet, it really takes the buy-in of everyone in the household. And we're indebted to the patients' families for that.